Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Coti with Coinbase, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a verified Coinbase account before starting the transfer process. Log into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the home page of your account. Locate the Assets tab on the menu. In the Assets tab, find and select Coti from your list of cryptocurrencies. Click on the Send button to initiate a transfer. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check the wallet address for accuracy to avoid any errors. Next, enter the amount of Coti you wish to transfer. Review the transaction details, including any applicable network fees. If everything appears correct, confirm the transaction by clicking the Send button. You will receive a notification of the successful transfer shortly. To check the status of your transaction, go back to your Assets tab. Look for the Recent Transactions section to view your transfer history. With these steps, you have successfully transferred Coti using Coinbase. Always remember to keep your wallet address secure and private. Feel free to repeat this process whenever you need to send Coti in the future. Now you're ready to manage your Coti transactions with confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.